Hey guys, I'm back again here with another video. This one's going to be an unboxing video. My little computer that I'm using here in my little studio setup is starting to show its age. It's a Nook 6. It's running an i3 6th gen on there. It's kind of showing its age right now. So I went online and looked to see what I can get just as a replacement unit without breaking the bank. So I picked up this unit right here. Let me see if you guys can see. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I think it's called Chuwi HeroBox. This one comes with the, I believe, Windows 11 pre-installed on there. It's using the Intel N100, which I believe is the Celeron chip, and has 8 gigs of RAM pre-installed and 256 SSD in there. So let's go ahead and open it up and we'll kind of take a look and see what all you get with it. Okay, so box is open. So this is the computer right here. But before we open this guy up, we'll see what else you get with it. So this, let's see. This right here looks like just a manual. Product inspection, yeah, just manual. And the other box should be just the power source. Alrighty, let's take a look here. So this is a VESA mount. Let's see here. Yeah, and then the power adapter, and then nothing else. So power. Looks like this supports 36 watts, so it's not really that power hungry, but we'll definitely utilize the mount for sure, because that's how my current setup is. Alrighty, put this guy up. First impressions, the actual unit looks really kind of cool. So there's the brand name right there. So on your front, it shows that it's an Intel based chip. You got your Type-C USB 3.0, 3.0, and a micro SD card reader along with your power. This side just has the Kensington lock. On the back, you got your power, VGA. Oh, VGA is still around. HDMI, LAN, and then 2 USB 2s, along with your reset button here, and also headphone jacks on the opposite side, and then nothing on this side. And at the bottom, not so much info. Let's see if we can open it up and see what it looks like from the inside. So, just to show you guys, there's actually another screw hidden underneath the sticker. Sneaky, sneaky. Okay. There we go. And, all right, so SSD slot. or not really SSD, you can put a laptop hard drive in here. And or another SSD. Let's see if we can dig a little deeper. Let me break up my. Okay. Okay, there we go. So these 6 screws open up the entire bottom. And now we are facing the opposite side of the actual PCB. Let's see if we can get. So we need to remove 1, 3, 4 screws. Will? Yeah, 4 screws. You guys would be smaller. Oh, too small. Alrighty, so here is the other side. So just a standard SSD. Let's see here. Yeah, this is actually just a standard M.2 SSD on the end. Looks like the RAM is soldered on there, so which is fine. This machine right here will not be doing a lot of work, so having 8 gigs is perfectly fine. So we'll put her back together. There's that. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go grab a spare SSD so I can put it in here. Just so I have some extra storage, just in case I need some. So next clip will be that. Alright guys, I found a spare SSD. It's a 1 terabyte unit that I have from SanDisk. So technically, this should, yes it does. So in the little bag where the VESA mount adapter is, there's actually some small screws for extra storage. Drives 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just need these 4. Okay. So essentially, take these out, which I'll need that smaller. So essentially what you'll do is these have to stick like that. So you basically line up the back right here and then just screw down the screws themselves to mount the hardware. And then to drive in like this, it should just slide in, which it does. And just we bolt down the mounts. But there we go. And we'll put the little sticker back on. No, I'm not. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll do a follow-up video just comparing the two and just to see performance-wise what improvement this one has over it, even though it's a Celeron chip. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.